Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you are new here, hi, my name is Doreen and welcome to today's video. So guys, in today's recipe we are going to do an amazing recipe. You guys, this is a video I did some time back. I lost the shots and guess what, we are back. We are going to do this. So to the ingredients of the day, we have the fish fillet, we have onions, garlic, tomatoes, coriander, we have some uh, coconut milk, some lemon juice, and I'm also going to use spices because curry is all about spices. Okay, so for the spices of the day, I'm going to use salt, turmeric, tomato paste, curry powder, and flour. You're going to see where we are going to use the flour. Okay, so guys, stay tuned and let me just give you a close shot of the ingredients I'm going to use so that you can see them clearly, and we'll get to it.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
Oh yes guys, let's take it slow. So guys, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to marinate the fish. We are going to add salt, some garlic paste, that's garlic paste using. We are also going to add lemon juice, but we're going to add a pinch, yani a small portion of lemon juice. Reason being, we want to finish the smell of the fish, but the reason why we are adding small portion of lemon juice so that the fish cannot peel off, because this is fillet, remember, and lemon has acid in it. If you add on the soft meat, it is going to peel off, of course. So we are going to dust the fish, you guys. Stay tuned and keep watching so that you can see what we are going to do. We are going to cut the fish. The reason why we are cutting the fish using the flour, that's wheat flour, is because we're going to deep fry the fish before we cook it to seal the fish. That is, this is fish fillet and we don't want it to peel off when we are going to put it in the sauce. So yeah, the next step is deep frying the fish.
I know I'm not easy. I drag you out your mind. And there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And then we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're.
We are done with the fish. Let's head over to the next step. You guys, are you ready for the next step? Oh yeah, let's make the curry sauce. So we're going to add our onions to the pan. With oil, we are going to brown them. After that, we are going to add the rest of the ingredients. That's garlic, tomato paste, and all the spices. Then we are going in with our stock. You can use water, don't shout, stock. We're going to add stock, and then we are going to simmer so that the spices can cook very well. And then afterwards, I'm going to tell you the next ingredients we are going to add. For now, let's continue watching.
I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season, I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy, my heart feels heavy, I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. I'm always self-destructive, I take a hit, I love it. Can you give me a second? I'm slow, got blurry vision. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy, my heart feels heavy, I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. Please help me see the things that I am, I don't understand. I'm doing the best that I can right now, but it's never enough. I'm not even ready to slow down. Just slow down. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. Just slow down. And I'm so sorry, but
The next ingredient you have been all waiting for is coconut milk. So guys, if you don't have coconut milk and you have cooking cream, worry not, you can definitely use that. Okay, you can definitely use that. It really makes your food, it will make your curry taste so nice. So don't hesitate to use cooking cream. So guys, after that we are going to add in our fish, and we are going to let it simmer so that it can incorporate this sauce very well. And then after that we are coming back with our last ingredient.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you.
So guys, the last ingredient is coriander. That's dhania. That's what we're adding. Let me know in the comment section, what will you have your curry with? Is it chapati? Is it right? Let me know in the comment section. So guys, let me see you on the other side when we are going to serve our food.
Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you.
Ooh, guys, look at that. What do you think about this recipe? Look at that, you guys. Look at that. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this recipe? And if you've watched until this end, you guys, you are my favorite person and you don't even know it yet. Until my next video, bye.
I know I'm not easy, I drag you out your mind, and there are are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine.